Hello everybody, this is me Kendra and welcome back to SpeakUp. So today I have a challenge for all of you guys. If you can say these 5 longest words, you're brilliant. So what are we waiting for? Let's get right into it. Number 1. Pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Say it with me. Pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. This means a lung disease caused by breathing in very fine silica dust. Now, number 2. Hippopotamonstrossus cupidaliophobia. Hippopotamonstrossus cupidaliophobia. Now, this one is my favorite because it's really funny. This means fear or phobia of long words, even though it's a long word. Now, number 3. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. This means awesome, amazing, out of the word good. Now, number 4. Anti-disestablishmentarianism. Anti-disestablishmentarianism. It means opposition to the withdrawal of state support from an established church. Now, the final and 5th word is pseudo-hypoparathyroidism. Pseudo-hypoparathyroidism. It means a rare genetic disorder or medical condition. So, I hope you guys learned something new. And if you got this challenge, you're brilliant. But if you didn't, keep on practicing through this video. I hope you'll get it. So, no more today. Bye!